Hello friends, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Recently, a team called Nemo at Nvidia and a team from Suno.ai has released a new automatic speech recognition model called Parakeet-RNNT-1.1B. This model is of the size of 1 billion parameter. This model is highly capable of audio transcribing in English language. It is also insanely fast. So in this video, let's understand the model and see how we can utilize it for our use cases. Let's first test the functionality of this model. I'll first upload a file here and hit transcribe audio button. It took a while because it was the first instance where I invoked the model, but let's test one more time. Best results are achieved with clear audio and minimal background noise. Supported formats depends on system configuration, audio libraries, but Wave is most reliable. Let's hit this. I know I made some fumbles there. You can see how fast the performance of this model, how fast it is. Let's use one more time. You can see how fast it works. So let's understand the code used behind this. In order to utilize the model, you need to install few things. Torch and Torch Audio. I have CUDA 12.8 installed, but based on your system configuration, you need to install the latest version of Torch and Torch Audio. Then you will need Nemo Toolkit All in order to interact with the model. I have built a small UI using Gradio, so I have installed Gradio as well. If we go here, on the Hugging Face Nvidia official model page, you will read all about the model and the technology and the architecture it is using. Just to mention that this model utilizes a research done by Nvidia and Department of Computer Science, University of California. On the official GitHub Nemo page, you will find all the documentation about this Nemo package, and there is information about how you can fine-tune this for your use case. In order to utilize this model, you need to create a model which is coming from this Nemo collection.asr ANCD encoder decoder RRNT BP model, and from pre-train you provide the name of the model. Once the model is loaded, you can use a transcribe method on it, which takes list of audio. You can provide the audio in three different ways. First, you can provide the audio file path. Second, tensor, torch, float 32 type, or numpy nd array. It takes these three things. This function returns a list of strings. So obviously the index of the list represents the index of the audio file. So I'm passing one audio. So I'm looking for the first index, and then I can get the text of it. Here I have a Gradio interface which has some markdown and then audio input section, clear button, transcribe button, and output text. On the click of this transcribe button, I call transcribe audio, pass the audio file, and whatever return from there, I set it as this output text, and finally I run the application. In order to run the application, you need to use Gradio and the file name. In my case, it's main.py. When I hit enter, it will start the application, and the application will be running on localhost 7860. You can utilize it here. I have shown a simple application of this model using a web UI, but you can utilize the same model in your APIs as well. I hope this video gives you a head start in utilizing this model. If you face any issue, please get back to me in the comment section. I'll surely help. Finally, if you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life. Feel the music. Peace.